Hey, this is Dylan with RepairSpots, and today in the video I'll be showing you our new cash count feature on the end of day and cash in page. So in order to access this page and use this feature, we'll just go over to the side menu and go down to Sales and Reports. And here we can go ahead and do our cash in. So we press on cash in, type in our employee code. Now here is our new cash count page. We can manually type in the cash and register, like always, or we can use these new buttons down here, and we can add the exact amount of changes or dollars that we have in the register. So if we had a couple nickels and a couple dimes, we can just go ahead and add them like that. Or if we had a large amount of any of these changes, we can press on the button under it and add the amount. Save, and this will be counting up your money. So if we put in a improper amount of cash and we need to reset all of this, we can press this refresh button up here, and this will reset the cash count, so we can continue and start over, and we can re-add properly. Go ahead and save. It'll confirm the cash in, and we can confirm. Now we can also access this page by going to the end of day now, typing in our employee code again, and then instead of typing in the amount of the cash register right there, we'll press on this calculator button on the side, where we will have our different currencies again, just like we did on the cash in, and we can add it the exact same way.